Okay, so today I'm just gonna vacuum the car. The trunk is pretty dirty. I'm using this hard brush attachment. I think this is the best one for the job. Full battery, let's see. Medium, yeah. Use default. Okay, so now I'm gonna switch to the crevice tool. So it actually picks up power as it gets dirtier. Oh. You hear that? It actually got louder, more powerful when they hit the really dirty spots. So it did pretty well. This is not a full detail. This is just what a typical owner might run into if they haven't vacuumed for, well, in my case, at least a year. Didn't get everything, but again, my car's probably a lot dirtier than most. I use this car to transport everything: lumber, wood, drywall. You know, especially the corners. There's, you know, missed a few spots. It's really hard to get into these areas. You know, it's one of those things where if you really try, if you do a really good job, a full detail, I'm sure you can get it out. Even when using the crevice tool, the really hard brushes, it just can't really get into these areas. But again, that's kind of expected. I'll probably hit this with like a toothbrush just to clean it up a little bit, but it's still pretty decent. It's not bad at all. It definitely got a lot of stuff out of the crevices in the couch. Not the couch, but the seat. So that it did pretty well. That's all the stuff that you got. Again, not too bad at all. So.